Hi everybody, it's your buddy Brad here, and today I am going to look at something I just kind of figured out for fun yesterday. Um, it is using music to make gradients. So let's get started. So to begin with, I have just two simple linears here, and when animating, if you click on this button here, and if you want to animate, let's see if I wanted to animate the spin of this, we can click on one of the active buttons here where it says create, edit a motion curve. Of course, it actually comes up with this. And if you look here, there is a MP3 sound tab. And that is the way we can animate um, fractals to music to have music synchronized fractals. So you do that by clicking on a import MP3 button, then choosing an MP3 or a music file. I think it also supports WAV, but MP3, and it works with MP3s. You click open, give it a moment to work some magic, then you see it will generate a wave or number of points, and that controls the animation. So then if we just come over here to edit, smooth this curve some, quite a few times, hit apply and close. And then come down here, hit this play button. And you see that is how we get the music synchronized fractals. But that's not what this tutorial is about. Here I have a DC modulus, and I created a gradient, this gradient down here. I don't know if you can see that. This gradient here, this one, and this one, by using music to create the gradient. So the way I did that, if you go to the curve editor, you see it gives us curves. This is a new feature in JWildfire, and I'm actually going to minimize this some, not that much. Woo! Give me a moment. Hmm. Okay, well, we can still see the buttons. Okay, so we have our fractal here. And it's just, if we notice, it also has the curves from that other editor. And we can move them around and get colors and shades and what have you. And so what we do is if we click here, just edit this curve, motion curve editor, we get the same box. And it always has a curve. Something to keep in mind though is if we look here, it not only starts frame 0, not only starts at 1, but or starts at 0. It only ends at 255 instead at 255. But it's important to keep 255 in mind for the top number because there's 255 colors in a gradient. So now if we click on this MP3 sound, import MP3 file, then click on a MP3 that you may have, and it can be any. This is music that I have created myself using Fruity Loops. So and so now you see it has generated a waveform, and we want to make sure that there's at least 255 here. There's 299 frames. That's good. Top one hits 277, so that is within the 255 range. If not, you can always come over here to edit, and you can drag the wave around, make it up, bring it up some. You can also scale it up some. Actually, what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to smooth it out some. Come to scale and move it back up to 255. Okay, that's pretty good. So now if we hit apply, first of all, we're going to come over here to raw data, and we're going to export to clipboard, and that exports all this information. We're going to hit apply and close, and now as you see over here, it has generated colors based off of the gradient, off of the MP3 that I used. And then, just for fun, I'm going to use the same information under this saturation window. Click apply and close. And then also for the luminosity window, same thing. Click on raw data, import from clipboard, apply and close. So now we can see the radio over here, or let's see here. You can probably see it better this way. So you can see this is where it's kind of darker down here, and then it gets lighter. Of course, you could use an MP3 here, a different MP3 here, different MP3 here to just to see what happens. And so once you get something that you like, make sure you hit this edit gradient button. You click save. Actually, we can even modify that a little bit more. I'm going to modify it a little bit more. If you go to balancing, I like really saturated gradients myself. with a high contrast. Give that a run to see how that looks. I like that. I like that. That's cool. That's cool. And so then once you get something you like, hit save. I'm just going to name it the way I name everything. And hit save. Go to your gradient library, and you have a brand new gradient there. And so that is how you make a musical gradient using JWildfire. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Until next time, bye.